Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm finally sharing one of my most time intensive and magical crochet projects. My Labyrinth Quote Blanket. If you've seen the movie, you already know which quote this is, the iconic speech that ends with, "You have no power over me." Well, the entire blanket's that quote. Every single word. Crocheted by hand in rainbow variegated yarn on a crisp white base. It's bold, bright, absolutely worth every stitch. That final moment between Sarah and Jareth has always been one of my favorites. It's powerful, emotional, and it's really about reclaiming your strength. I wanted to capture that feeling, but instead of going dark and moody like the movie, I wanted it to feel hopeful and full of light. So I went with the white base and rainbow variegated yarn. The shifting colors make the words feel alive, almost like they're glowing right out of the labyrinth. This project took a ton of planning. Trying to fit the whole monologue onto a blanket while keeping it readable and beautiful was not easy. I designed the quote layout digitally first and then converted it to a crochet grid, letter by letter. The white background gave me a clean canvas, and the rainbow yarn did all the storytelling. Every few stitches, every new color would bloom. Reds, oranges, greens, blues, purples, turning the quote into a visual journey, just like the labyrinth itself. I used tapestry crochet to keep the letters crisp and defined against the white base. And the coolest part was watching the colors shift mid-word. Like, check this out. Like, they're all just colors. Colors! It felt like the yarn itself understood the story. Every color change felt intentional, almost like the blanket was teaching me patience and balance one stitch at a time. And oh lord, did it take a lot of patience, especially when I had to rip out this whole... that hurt. The quote has always resonated with me. As I worked, I kept repeating it in my head, through dangers untold and hardships unnumbered. It stopped feeling like a movie line and started feeling kind of like a mantra, almost, about strength and perseverance. And with the rainbow colors flowing across it, it became even more symbolic, as a reminder that beauty and power can come from struggle and chaos. When the quote was finally completed, I added a simple rainbow border. Nothing fancy, just bright and clean, framing the words perfectly. I just used the same variegated yarn I did for the words. Easy peasy. And it really made the colors pop against the white background. Kind of like a beam of light surrounding Sarah's words. Laying it out for the first time was almost surreal. The rainbow gradients looked almost like they were moving across the fabric, and the whole piece was alive. I mean, look at this. Every single letter hand-stitched, every color blending into the next. And the way the yarn transitions make each section unique, some lines feel fiery, others soft, and together they form the rainbow story of empowerment. In that simple rainbow border, it ties everything together. Clean, bright, and full of light. This blanket isn't just a project, it's a story woven in yarn. It's my little tribute to Labyrinth, and that the message of self-empowerment still hits so hard today. It reminds me that even the softest art form can carry so much strength. So yeah, you have no power over me. Except maybe rainbow yarn, that definitely has power over me. Because oh my god, it's so cool! Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more fandom-inspired crochet pieces, and tell me in the comments what quote or movie I should turn into yarn next.